Good morning. Good morning, children. So let's start our logic and reasoning. Today we are learning aquatic and water animals. Names of aquatic animals. First one is octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Next is crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Next is starfish. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Next is penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Next is crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Now let's do the question and answers about aquatic animals. Question one is, which is the largest water animal? Answer is whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Now question number two, which animal can stay alive both on land and in water? Answer is crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Question number three, name a water animal which has a hard shell. Answer is tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Question number four, which water animal is eaten as food? Answer is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Question number five, name a water animal that hops on land during the rainy season. Answer is frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Question number six, how many arms does an octopus have? Answer is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.